The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marin County until 3 p.m. At 2:15, severe thunderstorms are located along a line from 6 miles southwest of Petaluma to near Point Reyes Station, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts could be reaching 70 miles per hour. The Weather Service says the area may see considerable tree damage likely to affect mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Affected locations include San Rafael, Novato, Mill Valley, San Anselmo, Larkspur, Corte Madera, Tiburon, Fairfax, Sausalito, San Geronimo, Lucas Valley, Marinwood, Stinson Beach, Kentfield, Black Point Green, Point, Muir Beach, Tamalpais Homestead, Point Reyes Station, Tamalpais Homestead Valley, Strawberry, and Ross. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damaging winds. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.